Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare the Kia Soul Turbo versus its non-turbo counterpart. Let's start with performance. The turbo model packs a punch with a 1.6-liter engine, delivering 201 horsepower and 195 pound-feet of torque. This allows for a quicker 0 to 60 mph sprint in roughly 6.5 seconds. In contrast, the non-turbo Soul uses a 2.0-liter engine, offering 147 horsepower and 132 pound-feet of torque, reaching 60 miles per hour in about 8 seconds. When it comes to fuel efficiency, the turbo model offers an EPA-estimated 27 miles per gallon in the city and 32 on the highway. The non-turbo Soul generally provides slightly better figures, reaching up to 29 city and 35 highway miles per gallon. The turbo's 7-speed dual-clutch transmission provides a more engaging feel, while the non-turbo's continuously variable transmission focuses on smooth, efficient power delivery. Beyond performance, the turbo models often came with a suite of enhanced features. You could expect a larger 25-inch infotainment touchscreen, a premium Harman Kardon audio system, and distinctive 18-inch alloy wheels. These additions contributed to a more upscale experience. Historically, the turbo variant commanded a price several $1,000s higher than its naturally aspirated siblings, reflecting its upgraded powertrain and amenities. So, which Kia Soul is right for you? If you prioritize spirited acceleration and a more dynamic driving experience, the turbo model was an excellent choice. However, if your focus is on balanced efficiency and a comfortable daily commute, the non-turbo variant excels. It's important to note that the turbo engine option was discontinued after the 2022 model year, so you'll find it in used models. Also, check the description for a link to leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.